the lonely firefly. Deep in a shimmering forest lived a tiny firefly named Flick. All the other fireflies flashed their lights really bright, like a twinkling party. But this firefly wasn't the same. Flick's little light barely blinked. It wasn't bright enough to shine with the other fireflies. Flick felt sad, so he crawled under a big, leafy umbrella to hide. The old, wise owl hooted softly. "Even though your light isn't big, it's special in its own way, little one. Don't be shy, Flick. Keep shining your own light, even if it's small. You might help lost bugs find their way home." Flick blinked his light again. He wasn't alone anymore. Now, his little light wasn't just a twinkle. It was a bright spot that helped others see in the dark night. Moral of the story: be yourself, even if you're different. Your light can still shine bright. The cloud who dreamed of rain. High above the world lived a fluffy cloud named Nimbus. Rumble, rumble, that's the thunder's sound of Nimbus's friends. But unlike them, Nimbus didn't want to make loud noises. Nimbus just loved to sprinkle raindrops down to the thirsty flowers and grass below. One hot summer day, Nimbus grew heavy with tears. He couldn't hold back any longer, and a gentle rain began to fall. The thirsty flowers bloomed, and the happy animals drank. Nimbus, finally at peace, knew his dream had come true. Moral of the story: follow your dreams, no matter how different they may seem. The Honest Woodcutter's Reward. In a bustling village lived a woodcutter named Wookie. Every day, he chopped wood with honesty and care. One day, his axe slipped and fell into the deep river. Feeling defeated, Wookie sat by the bank, head hung low. Suddenly, a shimmering figure emerged, a magical river sprite. "Your honesty touched me," she said, handing him a golden axe. "Keep doing good, Wookie, and greater rewards may follow." Wookie learned that honesty, even when unseen, is always rewarded. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy, even when it seems difficult. The Lost Rainbow. In a land painted with colors lived a mischievous imp named Jester. He loved pranks, especially hiding things. One day, he stole the beautiful rainbow from the sky. The world turned gray, the flowers drooped, and everyone felt gloomy. Jester, seeing the sadness he caused, felt remorseful. He returned the rainbow, and colors burst back into the world. Everyone smiled, and Jester learned a valuable lesson about the importance of beauty. The moral of the story: bringing happiness to others brings joy to yourself as well. The Helpful Hedgehog. In a bustling forest lived a grumpy hedgehog named Spike. He disliked sharing his berries and preferred to be alone. One day, a tiny lost butterfly fluttered onto Spike's prickly back. "I can't find my way home," she cried, tears glistening in her eyes. Touched by her plight, Spike carefully guided her through the forest. He found a patch of colorful flowers, just like her home. The butterfly thanked Spike, and he felt a warmth he hadn't known before. Helping others can lead to unexpected friendships and happiness.